pon game no ye ko bisa Todd Boyle say win na bana onu hu ni say apart asem o kan ni say win bia ye win it's 3 points.
Wow.
Asem agree Thomas funny say can say Todd Boyle kan ye no. So as to say game we no ebeye the yardstick campaign for be susu Graham Porter as say manatena wana say be kono and e be those dynamics no. It's a really difficult game because the form of team from Dortmund was papa very good team and a team on form so now and now the Stamford Bridge a bedding begin here papa they tell say the last time our two teams ni share no and a course some 2 weeks ago abra I'm call the Signal Iduna Park and before that game now Dortmund in the Champions League that but the first time on share no Chelsea team call Signal Iduna Park Emma Dortmund shot by 1-0. In that game, it was a game where two teams no make us say Chelsea was the dominant side of the two teams. And even though say my friend or Dortmund and we need game the most dominant side of that game no not a Chelsea. We game next statistics are say it is in terms of SGs, in terms of expected goals. Say game na ye bono sanka two teams no obi wo kwan say o she goals are. Now one na dey was so we expected goals are. Team my friend Dortmund na dey 1.51. That means that Dortmund goal no share it was expected say Dortmund be she goal. Now so for Chelsea for an SG of 2.09. So the 2.09 at least no as Chelsea for actually 2 goals in the game. No Chelsea for got the chances and they missed them. Anytime because Chelsea in that game they were dominant, they created chances but no amount for ball and Tottenham. In terms of possession, Chelsea enya 49, Dortmund enya 51% of possession. Yaka shots are Dortmund able 14, Chelsea able 19 shots on that night. On target, Dortmund 2, omo shemu bako. Chelsea able 8 shots on target, omo shemu bako. And in terms of dominance, Chelsea team were dominant than team friend Dortmund. No, almost said chances and I went to win the game no. So that was how our game they call at the Signal Iduna Park. Na enra they could play on training ground so one thing I want to say maybe videos and pictures of for the training grounds of Chelsea no I could see some players no were poised for action during live on Facebook and radio. You will clearly see some players thinking now what they say it's a make or break tie for them because it is about Premier League anymore. No man said I'm going for more. And it's difficult to talk about even the top 4 in the Premier League. So Carabao Cup among Cajon. So called FA Cup among Cajon. Now the only competition make us say want a chance of moving up to the next stage no in the Champions League. And Tianra, Enzo Fernandez, any boys now can you could see that they were poised for action. Calling the Koulibaly. And the other players so we now on Enzo Mo, Mikalo Mudryk Mo, Joao Felix, we could see that the players were poised for action, including coach. If the Graham Porter and we had a press conference no. You can say upon I poise say the team about moving Chelsea for no from Baby and the good news is that they had N'Golo Kante back into the squad. Now you see the happiness now Chelsea for players then him knowing say they have N'Golo Kante but and again there he's out on mean Saka but in subsequent matches no they are going to have N'Golo Kante. But as to say without N'Golo Kante any Bantam say cover Sechimo any Enzo Fernandez in Medford no how they are able to like I said prepare this team to win the game and the other back what we all like to see. And it was all good news at the training grounds. Players near stretchy or Moyama. You look at their faces, you could say I smiles all over. And Chelsea for Edwards game way. Showing said they are poised and ready for this game as when they and the stand for the gapper. Okay. Now question I want to say, so when Chelsea for form now, they say can a much in their confidence. We are fun. It doesn't give you confidence because you look at Chelsea for now who say winning against Leeds. But you look at the games lose a hold war, win a hold war. In the last 11 games, no, Chelsea are winning 2. The other ones are more lose. You clearly know say Chelsea for form and your form be make us a wasro. You compare them to team my friend Borussia Dortmund. Papa, since time I about World Cup new year, no, Dortmund for winning every single game after say about World Cup new year. 10 games, 10 wins. I trust the Dortmund team no, and your team they are quite on form. Yeah. After World Cup no, team be anywhere we are here. Make us say in the top 5 leagues are one winning more games than my friend Borussia Dortmund. Every game you will be winning. since time about World Cup in 2023 omo lose game in 2023 it show how serious and how tough of a team Chelsea for Asia. Papa, just look at this. Your ball World Cup with this in all competitions. The answer in terms of I can say this season, omo kita the longest unbeaten run and I said the longest winning streak no. Napoli for any 13 wins. That streak is the longest in Europe. Team at twice to Dortmund 10 wins in a row. In a team from Dortmund for Sweden. And the season you know, team are winning games at twice to the part in Napoli free one more. Borussia Dortmund. And about games now, they have ways of winning, especially under our player friend, I can say, a Tyson. Very, very, very good coach. And our partner by Oyajma, Edmund Dortmund for team. This man make us say, Obi when this season behind him say, one of the managers are upon whom modern power European top 5 leagues, you know, Eden Tyson. Very, very, very good manager in terms of tactics, in terms of way of still born, and even in terms of the mentality of the replace the team. How many umbo gamer you clearly know say they are a team to beat, and I think that the 10 games one winner twice no, it's not just by fluke. Very, very, very good system for a pipe for Eden Terzic. Make ball obo. And maybe I want pictures of Moody Free Dortmund by. You just look at these boys, Papa. They are quite ready.
Very motivated.
So Chelsea for some are motivated. These boys are also ready. Jude Bellingham and the other boys, especially the boy I say, all picking baby Jimmy Boynu. Very, very good young boy. They are all ready for the game and on the ball and so the stand for the the last time we say two teams neighbor, we saw some tweaks in their lineups and in terms of the way obviously bomb now join live on Facebook and Ribram. Papa, 2 weeks ago, this was their lineup. Goalkeeper Gregor Kobel in goal post, Rafa Guerrero, Marius Wolf, Nikos Klosterbeck and Nicolas Sule and then boy Cherema Dortmund team now. In midfield, they went with a 4-1-4-1 system. And the Emre Can came into number 6 role, low number 6. In terms of attack, Omunya Karim Adeyemi, Ozan, I can say Zahir Ozan, Omunya Jude Bellingham, Julian Brandt, and I Brandt for Sebastian Haller. An exam at the more team my friend Dortmund. In a 4-1-4-1 system, and I'm in terms of Chelsea, you know, I'm going to Kepa Arrizabalaga, Rhys James, Thiago Silva, Koulibaly, and Benchewell at the back. In midfield, or double pivot. And now I have Ruben Loftus-Cheek and Enzo Fernandez and airborne number 6 one of my team now. Then in attack, Hakim Ziyech, João Felix, and Mikhailo Mudryk and Kai Havertz and a lady on my attack now. And in terms of formation now, Dortmund echo with 4-1-4-1, Chelsea echo with 4-2-3-1. But the problem is that Dortmund 14 sense na more players in attacking, you know. They always had players in attacking combinations and they were always attacking Chelsea from that flanks. Now, so we game now. When we are first Dortmund for extra build up now say. Yes, I can Dortmund for extra build up now say in a make us say 2 players at the back. And I have slow start back. And I branch for I can say Nicolas Sule. And a short more attack now say but no Chelsea for echo with 3 players pressing the up front. And instead of say Dortmund 4 and then a more brain attack no or more system no in terms of build up from a so they were also suffering. And the 2 players attack but no Chelsea 4 with 3 1 2 3 players always pressing them at that front side no. And the build up from the back no a be difficult to crack at the team my friend no Dortmund because they say 3 players bar oppose ni na echo either from diagonals echo either from the left and now from the right. Because the ball and Hanamore, Chelsea 4 try say on the pure most time about rings, so then they press them from the rings. Because I think for them there, I point for Loftus-Cheek for 1 midfielder. In terms of the back line, no, they are pressing them from the back line. Ulti for ball and collect, the only right side be Rafael Guerrero. No. Again, when Sakabo there's 1 player always picking Rafael Guerrero. And in terms of pressing, Chelsea 4 in the first leg did a very, very good job. That even game a crowd twice now. Not for any ways of bypassing their press. No, every time almost see Pamu and Fifini. Now, so every time the midfielders no get for them no won't have that free day. And it's all passing combinations now. They press you midfield. Every time the Enzo always tries to offer Julian Brandt more and the other players now on 150. And to Chelsea for in the first leg in terms of pressing in the first half of the game it wasn't something to be like I say Dortmund for a free day. In terms of Chelsea for brought up in the first leg Chelsea for Sharon brought up now say with 4 players at the back. Including a point for the Kepa, making them 5 players. And Rhys James, Thiago Silva, Koulibaly, any apprentice a friend Kepa in midfield, then then apprentice a friend I can say Benjamin Chilwell going at the far left but that one team I didn't and say All my Chelsea for chance you can pass the ball from the back, but the question is they won't allow you to pick them the half spaces. And in terms of half spacing, no, so always side had more Sebastian Halafibako, then Kaiba they be F one side. Then so when FIFA they pick those midfielders Nimienu, and about for Ruben Loftus-Cheek and Enzo and their midfielders, no, they pick them from that side. All my come out possible only from Fifty because on the side, how the same system. Put the border following so more, they press you from that side. And I think that in the first leg, it was a balanced pressing. Just before in terms of saying they almost defensive transition in the first leg, no, almost call in a 4-4-2. And the almost see Pam near friend, I can say midfield block maybe. And the 4 players in defense, 4 players in midfield, 2 players in attack. And the almost call for a mid block in the game. And I think a mid block in a for most side of the game. Because I change says, I'll call mid block now. And Macron have Jude Bellingham. Any advantage friend of Emre Can ain't mean and yam more possession and afraid or with me control the game from the midfield. And I think that in the first leg, in terms of build-ups and in terms of defensive transition, Chelsea did a very good job. Papa, I'll put your friend on Terzic. I had something in the first time about 26 minutes. What he did, they said, my brother friend Emre Can and drop it from midfield and the right defense and assistant the game now here in the first half. No, and Ocheji Yama Branty friend I can say Emre Can about midfield. No, this is what we saw. Now, instead of building with 2 players at the back, Emre Can be run 50. I'm about building with 3 players at the back. And Emre Can will run defense now. Just before attacking with 2 players. And today, João Félix for Emre Can. There is space for Rafael Guerreiro. There is space for Branty Freno. I can say other players on the defense. And now, just Team from Dortmund have chances of creating from that side. And I think say it was one thing I put a friend on Terzic. A buono in the first half. No, now say this. I better find Emre Can be run 50 here. It is time for Ozan and Jude Bellingham to do their job. And I did here and I say every time the Emre Can be run 50, I won't drop it by infinity. Jude Bellingham just one pass the play to Ozan. Ozan finds space on that right side. And it's just simple passes, simple passing combinations. 1-2. Now Omo you met for that film now. João Félix is out. Kai Havertz is out. Mudryk is out. Now Ayasape, Jude Bellingham and Ozan does that 1-2 though. Then they find space or was her right side up for Wolf and then place no just as and I think that formation tweak, you know, a boy team from Dortmund from the 30th minute echo. Then Chelsea for to come system no. Until now it became team from Dortmund for Eddie or Banty Freno. Emre Can already defense on more. So my Banty Freno can say João Félix and so every run made for them. And that is one thing and Potter so in the first half. Now I Banty Freno Félix so a drop from attack comes into midfield. And sorry, I'm also attack now. I want to from a tree where Thiago Silva and Kalidou Koulibaly. And from the back, straight away in midfield, no, João Félix come back into midfield. And the Félix about 50. Now they have 4 players in midfield because Pante Freno, Benjamin Chilwell, edge on one side. Franco at the right side, Honor Luis James. In midfield, no, or more about Enzo Fernandez. And about the first I can't move 50. And the Félix come back into the midfield, they form 5. The only problem they say, Safari is free and any more than 50 now you are limited in terms of attack because in attack now I can't find a friend of Mukele Mudryk and I can't have it and I want a friend of Princess Akopia and so all peer players about 50 you get limited players in attack and that was one thing I'm watching for club now almost a steady possession as I said fellas about 50 no but in terms of attack they had numbers and I want from anyone more and I think that for the first half and I said for the first leg no Chelsea had these problems. Every time, João Félix tries to obey you near from the left half space. No, I'm a branch from Kai Havertz use the right half space. But I tell you, Dortmund with him no had always players that we are very very strong. I'm branch from Nico Schlotterbeck and I branch from Nicolas Sule very very strong in defense. And I think that Omo Buomo in attack, especially with a branch from Emre Can supporting always. I branch from Schlotterbeck and then Nicolas Sule and that defense on more. But the question I want to say, every time they say about this type of formation now. I did see who say obey countermount to counter attacks because on midfielders no omunina air try say they will come back into midfield then omo support attack and so if you say João Félix or 2 jobs support the midfield support the attack Kai Havertz obeje mu but Kai Havertz an inverted number 9 and you also drop back into the midfield to come and help Beapa the only mistake Chelsea for here in that whole game no a corner kick back up and they go for a goal in the buy that goal now I kind of saying just one mistake there. And I think say couldn't blame any of those players. Because a chance where Omunya just one pass and they could have branch a friend. and a far ball no in terms of dribbles he's better ɔyɛ dɛ ɔbɛtwɛn the finals ɛna ɔkɔtwɛ kepa ɔyɛ bɔ ɔkɔtɔ ɔtɛnum the only thing I'm who the game no mu a mani anje mɛba bɛ wura enum but in terms of injury records there two teams na obia wɔn so ne deɛ now Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang but they are still inactive ɔmo mienu ɔne ka Aubameyang deɛ ɔmo ka Champions League squad no and so they are out Broga injury Kante injury still a onyamai Madueke kesu inactive because ɔno ka Champions League squad no about the no Edward Mendy also a finger injury he's out Mason Mount yellow card and Thiago Silva April and all these players are out of this game the other players no Aspilicueta head injury and also assassin kakra then there is Reece James and no training here then we also fit late fitness test so with Messi akan and the man squad now on the side of Dortmund Adeyemi out Duranville out Kamara out about the Moray Bowser out then there's Mukoko and Renesna ent means akan and Ogenum up I said all these players are out of this game this was how we are expecting the team to line up so coach Chelsea club no more Kepa Arrizabalaga in goal post now against Leeds you something a boy Chelsea for club no going to the 3-back system Chelsea for a good defense and they are very strong upper so Thiago Silva or more they have stability in defense Thiago Silva and you and the way about me at me acclimatizing with that system no is to play in a 3-back system now the catch on Saturday no so they should play a 3-back system one boy and a boy and in a game against Dortmund and Dortmund for attackers no you go to a 3-back system Wesley Fofana Kalidou Koulibaly Trevor Chalobah let's say Chalobah support the right side because in a Benjamin Chilwell and Reece James they'll always move up high omo fly wingers into no money and so more you need cover up for omo left and the right wing so you know and Fofana cover Benjamin Chilwell about the Chalobah cover Reece James and on that side Sebasape they will have ways of compensating that forward runs Benjamin Chilwell and Reece James because make sure say just for lacking numbers when and to play the 3-back system no you move Benjamin Chilwell to the right side you move Reece James to the left side and say Sape Emma on the form a front five and a in very very well in the game against Borussia Dortmund and to play in this midfield no say in this attack no help Chelsea that in midfield no Enzo Fernandez and Kovacic Enzo Krabako anymore he helps Kovacic in the more pop breaks in the midfield I think say play the 3-back system and against Dortmund will aid Chelsea for club no very very well on the side of team my friend on can send Dortmund no papa the question I want to say okay in recent times the player of ball party much Chelsea for club they are better for João Felix Mudryk and Raheem Sterling okay people are calling for Kai Havertz Kai ball with Germany paying and I tell you say the games are against team my friend Dortmund be on me shego in the first leg you win and the first leg na kan ho about 8 games against team my friend Borussia Dortmund on share even a single goal and I think Kai Havertz 8 games against Dortmund not even a single goal about to match and in a game like this no you need players at least on be movable on bet mabo wedding more in terms of goals in terms of assists and that's why I think say so Obo Modric I bet a friend no I can say João Felix and Raheem Sterling in attack for the team no up so go Dortmund team anymore and then Kobel ever available because and no can traveling party no now injury then he is still back into contention now Kobel will be in goal post at the back line no Rafael Guerreiro Schlotterbeck Nicolas Soule and advantage for the Wolf playing at the back in midfield Jude Bellingham and Emre Can plays in midfield I bet a friend Jimmy Beno if I bet a friend I can say Karim Adeyemi out of this game oh here players some more pace or more speed him so what do we do about another player on here very very pacey the 18-year-old boy very very pacey winger and I'm expecting Jimmy Beno to be in place of Karim Adeyemi our attacker Marco Reus is back Papa, on a good day, Marco Reus one of my torment in any other defense. We are saying very, very good player, quite experienced. Marco Reus slots back into the midfield. Julian Brandt and Sebastian Haller leads the attack for Team Ayefeno Dortmund in this game. Papa, one of the most important aspects of Chelsea for game will be on these two boys, Benjamin Chilwell and Reece James. Now no game on boy against Leeds United. No, Papa, what we saw and said. Papa na forming a system around wingers will be a game no wide wingers and those wide wingers no na enye Mikhailo Mudryk na enye João Felix it was Benjamin Chilwell and appointed for Ruben Loftus-Cheek and then Loftus-Cheek and more game and Reece James is back and in terms of wide wings no it will be on Benjamin Chilwell and appointed for Ruben Loftus-Cheek and I think say I know against Leeds no X-ray many times. The omoya passing combinations no 50 for more. Kai Havertz is either say over fine about for Benjamin Chilwell and as Ruben Loftus-Cheek in a game and then here the striker to play up front and then obey. And then what my say he finds Enzo Fernandez. Some players are link ups no. So Enzo stands in midfield, tries to distribute passes no. To about for Ruben Loftus-Cheek and as Benjamin Chilwell one more. Papa, they have to do say every time Biano Benjamin Chilwell and Rhys James try always to be in attack. Say by your three back system no will be able to work. Papa, I say if they're able to do this, they'll have chances. One more, utilizing the abilities of a brand here. Their friend Benjamin Chilwell and a brand friend Rhys James. Side wings on because say about Sape, Emma Kwama Raheem Sterling. I used to have spaces near. They'll be able to use the half spaces very very well because one of the best players in terms of half spaces no. A brand here friend can say Raheem Sterling. He'll use the left one. Maybe Kai Havertz and I say ABM Kala Mudrika. Also use the right side. Then a brand can Joe Felix lead the attack. From that side, if they're able to use that wing sounding very well, we all know say Wolf Konanim. I'm for Rafa Guerrero or Konanim. And if they're able to use that right side, they'll be able to create chances to a branch friend of Joao Felix. Any player will be attacking in there, and I went to my friend Charles. And I think that one of the best sides, able to use the wings. Now, the most important player in there, able Joao Felix, but you can catch all of that. He's the player who connected the midfield and the attack. And I think that in a game like this, you need a player at his best. And the best, but not called press conference, Mitiano press conference. Never saw kind and say Chelsea football attacking football, and that's the reason why we free ATM about Chelsea. And now he should be able to use that attacking attributes, to help Chelsea win the game. And what other press person? About Mikhail Mudryk. About the Chelsea, we haven't seen the exploit of Mudryk in the Chelsea 14. And I think that in an open game, it's not one for game. You need these two players, Mikhail Mudryk and Joao Felix, to be able to use that side on some basic mapa. One thing I'm going against Dortmund in the first leg, man Tiasie, man Sampe, Chelsea for present. Time I'm consider the goal anyway, and even before they consider the goal upper. What was the Chelsea for are always second on the ball. And because the same way, again, Leeds, we will improve the kakra, but it's still a warning. What they should do is that they should always try, say, they will put the first foot forward. Always try, say, they will be the first onto the ball rather than being second onto the ball because so video you have to see, join a live on Facebook here. You know, such Chelsea for club, we're always the one suffering and being the second on the ball. Dortmund for Saka ball anyway, and Sanamaba. Now, also, or pass the ball, it will touch the ball first before Chelsea for get there. Or pass the ball now, first touch, Dortmund, now before Chelsea comes. Or pass the ball, you see Chelsea, a first touch from Dortmund before Chelsea for play a call. Always they were second on the ball. And I think I'm more winning the whole game, They need to be the first players. They should be very, very strong in terms of midfield. That's the reason why I think, and then come back into the lineup. I want to put Enzo back into the lineup, It worked me both in very, very well in terms of the way I'm going to press our boss, going for it. But one good news is that Karim Adeyemi out the game, and that is good news for Chelsea. Because on a good day,
very stubborn player.
If Karim may hold more, ni pace and cross a ball, always worries defenders. Now only one of them, they play a ball man, a friend Jimmy Bain, and I think that he won't have the same attributes at Karim Adeyemi, and that's good news for his friend Chelsea. But let's not forget the Ken is back. Marco Reus. Papa, on a good day, so Marco Reus on a former. What to maintain any defender be will be asking. Yeah, maybe me kind of power from Madrid days. Almost share 5 level signal Juna Park on him. I always remember him. That 5 goals I went to find Lewandowski share on him. I always remember. On a good day, say any injuries are and one of the best players will be saying Marco Reus. Injury stone chain or injury prone player.